Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Xiaomi robot vacuum H50 Pro to Xiaomi Home app. So here we got the Xiaomi Home app. As you guys can see, we can click on Start Adding. Here we have two buttons. Now we want to press them simultaneously for 7 seconds, and we're gonna go over and make sure that we click both of them at the same time. Now we have to wait.
Resetting the Wi-Fi connection and entering network configuration mode.
And we were waiting for that notification from the robot itself. So now, soon enough, it should appear in our Xiaomi app. So there's literally not much to do because it automatically discovers the devices. We're just gonna click on pair now. And here we are connected to the network, and now we need to just enter the password for it. So once you're done entering the password, you simply click on next, and as you guys can see, it is uploading the information to the device. It is connecting it to the internet.
Connecting to the network, please wait.
And it should take around half a minute or a minute max. So from 50 to 100, it goes really fast. Now, as you guys can see, we are almost done with the setup, and all we have to do now is select the room it's going to be used in, and now we can set the different name. We can click next, and as you guys can see, everything is done now. So we got our vacuum. It says connected right here. We have it in our app, and that's basically how you guys can connect it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.